Welcome back to the Damn Yankee Blacksmith. Well, we're going to start on the Viking spearhead. Now, a lot of blacksmiths you see will have markings on their anvil. They'll draw a design on the anvil. Some will draw up on the hood so that when they pull things out of the fire, they can compare them in size, width, shape, and confirm that they're doing the right thing. I'm going to do something similar to that. I take an old welding surface. It's a movable little stand, and it's the right size for what I want to do. And I'm going to paint it black after grinding away about 10 different layers of paint. And I'm going to draw it on there, and then we'll go from there. Then I got to select the steel I want to use. So we'll be back when I have the steel selected and a picture drawn, and we'll show you what the next step is. Well, I've picked a leaf spring. Denny, that is your leaf spring you gave me to play with. Well, I'm going to assume that it's 5160. Now, this is the one that I'm making for myself, the first one. So I'll be buying actual 5160 that I know is 5160 from a manufacturer when I do the actual one that I'm going to make for my client. But since I'm doing a dry run or hot run, I'm going to use that, and we'll see how it works out. I'll probably have to forge weld the lower spring into the body of the main spring. But here is the drawing. The red line represents the center. The white is the overall shape that I'm looking for. And the yellow is what I have to fold out or to draw out the sides and then chamfer the edges or angle them so they'll forge weld better. But I have to turn that into a tube or a socket for the shaft. So I have to fishtail that out and then roll it over and forge weld it closed into a cone. And that'll be the shaft. It'll be about that thick, a little bit less than a 1/4 inch at the widest point, and then it'll taper down to a point. All right, tomorrow I will not be working on this because I'm getting my coal in. I'm getting 5 tons of coal delivered tomorrow, and I got to prep the area that it's going into. So we will work on this. When you see the next video, you'll know I worked on it. Talk to you next time.